Stakeholders of the Northeastern Hill University, including students and teachers, have reportedly intensified their demand for the removal of Vice-Chancellor P.S. Shukla. During a meeting with a two-member inquiry committee constituted by the Union Ministry of Education, they conveyed their view that Shukla's return to office would be unacceptable. The inquiry panel, comprising Professor D.P. Singh, former UGC chairman, and Professor Dilip Chandra Nath, former Vice-Chancellor of Assam University, is said to have received detailed representations from the Northeastern Hill University Students' Union, the Khasi Students' Union, Nehu Unit, and the Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association, among other groups. Protesters reportedly alleged that the Vice-Chancellor had misused university funds and resources and expressed concerns over controversial appointments, declining university rankings, and neglected infrastructure under his leadership. They were believed to have asserted that, regardless of the investigation's outcome, Shukla's tenure was untenable. Professor Lakhon Kumar of the Nehuta is understood to have informed the media that the committee had given stakeholders a fair opportunity to present their grievances. He reportedly expressed optimism that the experienced panel would produce a credible report for the Ministry of Education and other authorities, adding that he believed that the findings would lead to appropriate action.
Marba kajing elang jongi bat kanega inquiry committee ngatrai ni nakaliang ka Nehuta ni sngo comment sikade bagi layawan nila pensngo ke bangila dap keren bro sikata nado pasdang kanega jinga ki mri tanga jinga ki nado mensim snam abang ya ki namantagi kam di baper apa kan nihu nila pen paw ya ki nila pen sngo ya ki ba bale ngi kum ki no hikai bale ngi kum ki stakeholders mo ki ong hapo jong ka university balengi bitar yo ni breu namar ubreu ubam patiao yang ngi kum ki no hikai patiao ki student kan snap ya ka university don jing snow ka judgment re jungi bodan hakane ka jala jungi don ban le bhan na mata kan ni hu hanrai ka kam jungu ka debet ban warra ki breu nabar ki bamlong fit ki bamlong competent ki bam nang lese hakaliang ka no hikai ne hakaliang ki non teaching staff ne we warra be ki breu ki ba ni have verify kumno ki shajet na ka selection committee ni lada banro piliban pet bhaya ka selection committee kumno ki je gi bre na haka jing pet jongi haka jing yosngo jongi ni ki khna ka kam hikai ro kimbyang ka qualification ro kimbyang na next khamba ka committee kala sgap bhaya ngi let's say kan ai hi karai ka ba byang ka ba pura baki khna jongi khamtam gitu gi ba sha jingin ki khna jongi ki bala penya ja kan ge jing ki kin hun but ladaki maki kum ki student ki hon ni ki noi kai rungin hon kajing keren kalong ba shai ba longkat bolong kajing tho jong kane ka inquiry ka report jong kane ka inquiry committee yo ne bre ngim sha shu bandrung hapo ka molai ku mala ong ka molai taun dorbat kum jo ngi kum ki noi kai kum ki non teaching staff kum ki student ni la ong bang u ngim sha shu bandrung hapo ka nihu ka report committee ki la ban thau kuno ka kom ba ki kwa hanre kan naling jungi lapan pawa yong ne nginum priang shu kum visi nama long fit banlong visi haka school ba jungi kore lapan dan kam bakla ya kan nehu ya ka pisa jong nehu taka daw ngi kum ka university ni her namagi kena kim don hostel babyang kim yo wifi kim yo ka library facility babyang kim yo ka sports facility ko hostel ka bam ka di ko ka bajabo nandong syadong ka peni ba ka pisa jungi ka dam harre syai ka le tip tang new breu namar ka pisa jungi ula transfer syai ba hanre ka company hamadan ka pasdang i company ba kadon ka gross mismanagement bangi on gross mismanagement jong ka fund jong ka nihu namar ubreu syamphang hanre ukwa ban pendon kam baklaya ka pisa jungi kwa pendon kam baklaya ka kerteng jungi kwa pendon kam baklaya ka kerteng jungi university ya ka syuki jong ban wan ra iki breu nabar ngam tip ka e don halender hanre ngi sutho bale se udon da ka agenda ka ba jabo uyele ban purulon hanre nganget skamba lingba ka jing presiden jungi khna bat ni bange kasani ki kumbi no hikai ngin poi sa kata thong nim kwa ban yu ni bre hapo ka campus ni hujongi nim kwa yu ban yu hapo ka molai area nim kwa yu ban yu hapo megalia ni net schema le singi lai khaddu yu to ko porba u dan hangni po mi to ka met ngathra nginum yushi ulanuru kata deka jing banjuk ni ka committee ang longkat bolong pila ban tho kono ka report hara yongni bure nginum pediak shu ni namar uni bure ula penjot saba pala deka ni hubang nginum pediak shu ula do ka jing sanya nagi nahikai ula do ka jing ni sana ni non teaching staff but student kumyo to bure kumnong in ailat baun beteng meng ban pandai kan kam longkat bolong ka report pila ban thokat bomon harai yongni bure long shu bomon phahan ni kumvis.
Similarly, Nehu Students' Union President Sandy Sotun is reported to have stated that the committee had collected facts regarding the allegations against the Vice-Chancellor. Sotun is said to have expressed hope for a fair report while also indicating that the university's students and the other stakeholders remained firmly opposed to Shukla's reinstatement. According to Sotun, protests would continue until their demands are met.
Di nakaliang kajungi hi ngadu sini kong bangila thok kita dorkas ki bapher ngila ashki berkunjung kidang jingdawa ki bangila dawa nadu arja apaan nakaliang isu ni huinen berkunjung nakaliang kani husu ngila penskau kajungi ya jikini ki samna puli berkunjung ki baru lale donbor kini kinam kinam cik staff ka ula shutha tong kita ki advertisement ki bapher re amshim ladan kunu ka recruitment drive ban long lam ta kini kinam teaching staff berkunjung habi de kini ki department ki bapher ka nila thok thi nakaliang kajungi ban ang ban recruit ya kita ki guest lecturer dari haduk mentaru dan ki department ba amshim la ai kata approval ban recruit kita guest lecturer dia kunjung ni lapan sko habi di surok sengkian de I dengan lechi ha hotar jong visi ni iba kan lu jing ha jing met kata surong kunjung kan administrative block andai dengan lechi hostel dengan lechi department ba fair pan ni iba kat nu kejing pendum kendram kat nu kejing sni ka thai kata surok ka hapok ngani university bat kunjuru bide ba kawai ka atli dia hostel ki barem ba lapan sekau nakaliang kajungi bala sausam kenti am shem ladan ganu kajing maraman andai nakaliang visi ula batai batu kupola sangchan pisah di hadu mentaru khambat chna I gitar ngila batai bat kunju ki wifi bo hakabang ni university uliat don bor hakabang bo atli ka kali yu ban penan kam banyak sum seneng andai habidi ba ambulance hadu live nine sawnai kenti habdan kata kajingi ki ban pan kawai ka ambulance kata kawai ambulance ka hapet ka hap chikri hadu san hajar kena di nakaliang kajungi ila ai kita jing dawa bapher berkunjung ila karpat barang ba uni visi hi dalele ngem shim lap dang wala kalawan ni komiti ban sngau ni dai da kanunu ka outcome de nakani ka komiti ru dai nakaliang kajungi dalele ru ngem pedang shu uni visi ban yu kejat hakani ka jila na kani university kajungi de kumbap lapha hi nakaliang ministry nakaliang kajungi ru nidan kata ka jikerman banang bakin wanda sha kata ke respon ke babiang kina kata ke result ke babiang jong kini ke report ke kilawan chim tak sini bertunjuk kata ke respon ke ni husu ni uta ni unsa ki isu meta berfat kini stakeholder juga ni university ting kerman bat ngin upside kata ke respon juga ni ki komiti ki belaphat ministry bat hadu kata ba nya upside ngin pelong di ni jingi ki demonstration bangin numki kena kini jaga bertunjuk ni ya ka bamta ni pat wa long min chong choi kita isi meeting but saya berkhat pat kumno banle habi di bakini classes hakisni kiman sawan